Hey guys, Patrick here. It's Friday. Yes, it's another live handover with Sigma Homes. The sun is shining, and where better to be than in Cobh. This home was a traditional 1970s bungalow. We all know what that looks like, but you're going to be in for a big shock when you see the back of this house. Are you ready? Because I'm about to show you the wow. What a beautiful design with about 12 to 13 meters of glass spanning all across the whole building. It's hard to believe from the front of the house that you've got something so amazing. What makes this design work really well is not just the color of the windows, but on the wall. This is a blank canvas and we could have chosen any color, and we decided to match the windows to give the bottom half of this extension that extra weighted feeling. And on top, we went for a white, lighter feeling, but around the windows, we kept that grey theme, and it just ties in so well. This kitchen answers all the questions with a big working island and loads of space behind you. But I really love this fridge area and that extra storage. You can see the color scheme here blends perfectly well into this design. This leads us straight into this large utility room, and everything you want. You have a big workspace, you've got your sink, your machines, you've got your air to water unit. But what about that big noisy blue box when you turn on the water? He's been moved outside. Anytime you can get an external door from your utility room, grab it with both hands. I love again how this dark theme, very clever around the tap, saving that white wall from staining. And it's in this little house is where our aqua box lives. And in here he can make all the noise he wants. From this view, we really get to see the size and volume of this big family room. Behind us, we've got our dining table, but maybe my favorite is this big couch in this movie room. Could you imagine watching your favorite movie here? I know I could. Downstairs, we've got two big double bedrooms, but most importantly, with lots of storage. The main bathroom for both these bedrooms is right in here. This bathroom has turned out really well. And you know what I love most of all is the half-height tiling. The painted wall really softens the room, and then we've got the tiles in the wet area. I remember right here is where we were able to roll that golf ball. All the floors were so off level, but now in this new modern house, it's all different. Behind us, we've got a guest bathroom. To the front of the house, we've got a private movie room. But I know what you're thinking. What's going on upstairs? This window behind us, what a really clever design. And it allows all that natural light come spilling into the hallway. This sense of space, you can really feel it in every room. Now this is what you call a walk-in wardrobe. Ladies, can you imagine all the shoes and dresses that you'd fit in here? So what really went on in this original existing bungalow? Yes, we went from 1,000 square feet right up to over 2,000 square feet. The design is stunning. The proportions of each room are really well done. But the real magic is in the retrofit grant. We went from a D1 right up to an A2.